Alright, I'm going to show you today how to insert a graph into Excel. Uh, you can also use the same procedure to import it into a Word document, or if you're using Open Office, you can also do it in there. They're very similar. The first thing you need to do is go to the internet and go to Google and type in graph. Right? And then it's this one right here, graph, and there's the website www.padowan.dk. Click on that, and it's this program here, graph. It's free. You just go over here to download, and it's the setup graph 4.3, and you just click on it and you can save the file and install it. I'm not going to do that because I've already got it installed on my computer. Alright, so once we download it and install it, we can go back over here to Excel, and we can go to Insert and then go to Object and go to Graph System and hit OK, and Graph will open up. Now this is what it looks like when it comes up on my computer, but you can come in here and right click on Axis and go to Edit, and you can change, say if we want to graph the sine function. If we want to graph the sine function, we can come over here and change the increments on the x-axis. We can change it to pi over 2. Now for pi, you type in pi divided by 2, and the grid units we can change to pi over 2, and we can click here to show grid. And since we're graphing a sine function, we want to show these in multiples of pi, so you just click this show as a multiple of pi, and then we can go to the y-axis and we can increment that in, say, increments of 2, and we can tell it to show the grid and hit OK, and you can see that it does exactly what we wanted. Now just go up here to function, insert function, and function equation. You can type in sine space x, and we can change the width of the line and the color or whatever we want to do, but we just hit OK, and you can see it gives us a nice little graph. And then we close it, and there it is, our graph in Excel. Now if you ever need to come back and modify it, we just double click on this and graph will open back up, and if we want to change something with the function, we just right click on here and hit edit, and we can go to color and we can change the color to red, and we can make the line thicker, the width wider if we want to, and hit OK, and you can see it changes, and we close, and there it changes. And this graph program, it's really a great tool. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Thanks.